Wrapping things up. Successful email marketing isn't something you can just learn once and master. You need to test things out, track what works, then tweak your campaign to improve your results. You have to think of email marketing, and your overall online business, with the big picture in mind. You can't just create one product and one email campaign and expect that to make you rich. You need to build out a proper sales funnel, create multiple email campaigns for each of your products, and track the effectiveness of those campaigns. You need to stay up to date with what's happening in your niche, what your subscribers are doing, and what they need. If you rest on your laurels after creating just one campaign, you're going to be left behind by your competition. Most importantly, you need to focus on building a solid relationship with your list. It's about building a relationship with your subscribers, building credibility and rapport, so they will come to know, like and trust you enough to buy from you not just once, but many times over the long run. Don't think about email marketing with the short term in mind. That's a mistake most people make. They only think about the first sale. They only think about making sales on one product. What they don't realize is that one product isn't enough. You need to have multiple products at multiple price points in your sales funnel if you really want to succeed and make money from your subscribers over the long run. I hope you have enjoyed this email marketing training, and that you go out and actually implement what you have learned. Don't just go through this training and then do nothing with it. That's what a lot of people will do when they buy any type of training, and that's also why most people struggle with their online businesses. Put this training to use for your email campaigns and build a long-term online business that you can be proud of.